please, if you feel me, help me sing it out.
I'm at IKEA and we're picking out big girl beds for Nee Nee. You want to see the blog?
Yeah. Hi guys, welcome back.
Hi guys, welcome back.
One step, go.
Alright, so we're in IKEA and we're going to look for a big girl bed for Nova because Nova, we just recently got rid of her slide. So she wants a bed that has like a slide connected to it where we can like store things underneath and then she can still kind of have some fun. But we got to find the children's section, and I think, I don't know. I'm going to show y'all. Look. There you go. You gotta get in and hold your feet up. There you go. Where is Nee Nee? Where is Nee Nee? Where did she go?
There she go.
Nee Nee's tunnel. Okay. Let's see.
Show me again.
Okay, go ahead. Go, 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 go. Why you stop? Go, 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 go. What you gonna say?
Guys, I just see my moment.
That's not oranges, it's peaches.
Guys, I just see my peaches. And now I'm done with them. Stop pulling my hair.
Say we're home from IKEA.
We're pulling my hair. And we pick out new beds out. And this is so much fun. And we see that
No,
towel.
but you gotta get off of that for the camera fall.
And this is everything. And everything, guys. So you guys want this be like this? Okay, guys, do it. Yeah, guys, are you doing it? Yeah, thanks. Mom, guess what you... Mommy wishes.
makeup. I'm about to get my hair curled. My best friend is on her way. Also, I just want to say welcome back to my channel. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Make sure you like this video. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you follow me all on my social media networks at Zero Love Goddess. You already know the vibes here. I'm in a rush. I gotta hurry up. So yeah, I'm about to wash my face and then I gotta get ready because I gotta go to Galentine's Day. Try to hurry up because literally it is 12:51 and the brunch starts now and I'm not there. Like,
cash out. Riding in the car with no keys. Straight up, Louis V shirt with no sleeves. I got slaughter gang, nigga, I'm reppin'. 21. Chopper get the preaching, I'm the reverend. 21. Call him new era, he capping. Yeah, them the type of niggas I ain't that on. When I book a show, made my back end cashin'. 21, Uncle Sound Dog, I'm texting. Riding in the coupe and it's a sport. Yeah, my bodyguard look like a horse. Straight up, she gon' suck me up like it's a chore. God, to the La Ferrari on the tour. 21, buy what you mean when I get bored.
we're late, but we're coming. That's all that matters.
It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away. Come chase beach views and then every day. All I wanna hear is an visions that we play. Sit right next to you.
You sat and recorded this whole time? I'm vlogging, girl. You gotta get the content. Y'all was watching it? I picked up.
Yeah, I want you, but I took too long.
I know that's right. Big man's busting up the Billy band singing. My lash tech is here. Get into the lash. Curve.
Valentine's Day is not men bashing. It's really just about celebrating your friends and friendships. Anybody that knows me knows I'm really big on friendship. It's really important to me. It's important for me in this season of my life to develop healthier relationships and to progress and grow in the relationships that I have, as well as friendships in general.
I try not to show how I feel about you. Think I was away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I don't wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you back.
Y'all, this is the second day in a row that I am late, like terribly late. It is 3:41. The party started at 3 o'clock. Noon. You're going to a birthday party? Birthday, Mason.
You said it's called what?
District Jump.
Look at this, look at this. That's the bullshit I be talking about. Why you stopping in the middle of
Say hi. Say hi.
She's got
Hey y'all. So I've had an extremely long weekend. I'm freaking tired. I came home. Woo. I came home, had dinner, been washing over school clothes for the week because this week is Valentine's Day week. I had an amazing weekend. Shit was lit and it was fun. I went to the Galentine's Day event. It was super cute. Met a whole rack of people that I've never even could have imagined that I would meet. And it was just great to connect with like other women. Then I went to my friend Taylor's daughter's party. It's saw my childhood friends, which was good. Yeah, but I'm tired, y'all. I don't even know what more to say. But if you have been watching my videos, which clearly I have been seeing y'all tuning into my videos, like I've been having like 200 plus views in like one day. So thank y'all so much for tuning into my videos. I love y'all. I appreciate y'all. Thanks for following the freaking gang. You know the vibes. Make sure y'all follow me on all of my social media networks at Zero Lip Goddess. Make sure y'all subscribe to my channel. Bye.